Good morning.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss about advertising. I know everybody would have been familiar with this word advertising. But you know the real meaning of advertising? No? Yeah? Simple meaning, I'll just tell you to make you very clear. Advertising is nothing but to turn the attention of the public. What is advertising? Simple? Now you understood what is advertising?
Yes.
Let's go deep into it. I'll just open my slide and then show you what is advertising all about. So keep this in mind that advertising in simple terms, what it is? Turning the attention of the public. Right? What is advertising? Action of calling something to the attention of the public. We all are familiar with something or the other through advertising, right? We know that there are so many products available in the market, so many services are available in the market. But how do we know all this? Thanks to advertising, right? Because it calls the attention of the public. For example, when boys are riding and going, okay, there's a big hoarding on the road. Suddenly, it gets attracted towards you, right? Why? That is called turning the attention of the public. You will come to know that, okay, there's a new product available in the market, there's a new service available in the market, okay? Advertising plays a vital role in bridging the gap between the manufacturer and the customer. And we all have learned in marketing, in the previous classes and all, what is marketing? Marketing is all about bridging the gap between the producer and the customer, right? You all agree to that, right? We as customer never go directly to the manufacturer to buy the product. Do you go to the manufacturing industry to buy a soap? No. You go to a small retail shop to buy. But how do you know that there is this product called soap available in the market? Because of advertising. So it bridges the gap between who? Two things. The manufacturer and the customer. Clear? Yeah? Third, the term advertising is derived from the Latin word. It is not an English word, it is a Latin word which is known as advertere, which means to turn the attention. So everybody is clear now. It's very interesting topic because it is familiar every day through your phone or through your TV or through newspaper. You come to know about lots new product thanks to the advertising which is available now, and moreover people are more inclined to all these through advertisement. How do we know that there's a brand available? How do we know that this product has this brand or this services is available? All thanks to the new advertising which we are in right now. So simple meaning is turning the attention of the public. Okay? So this is the definition. Advertising is the delivery of most persuasive product message. What do you mean by persuasive? Anyone? Anybody know the word meaning persuasive? Just give a try. No? It's a persuasive product message. You know advertising what it does? It pushes you to buy the product. Most of the time you are not aware about the product. Maybe you are not interested in buying the product. But advertisement, what does it do to you all? Pushes you to buy the product. Maybe after lunch you're so sleepy. Suddenly you thought, okay, let's not sleep, let me watch a TV. Suddenly when you switch on the TV, you see the ad of Dairy Milk Silk, which is so yummy and delicious. What happens? It pushes you to buy that Dairy Milk Silk. How many of you have experienced that? I always do that, and I've got small kids at home and they keep tempting me saying that, Mama, see this. You understood? So what is advertisement does? It pushes the product message to the customers. Understood what is advertising? Yeah? At the right time, yes. There is no time. At the right time it pushes you. At the right place it tells you where to go and buy. And at the right person, you are the right person. At the lowest possible cost. Easy? Yeah? And let's see what is the history of advertising. You know when it started? It was there before 18th century. You know how it was, that time there was no TV, there was nothing. You know what was the first advertisement style? Oral advertisement. You would have seen in televisions or in cinemas where a man will be with a drum walking, saying, hey, see, new product is launched or new service is launched or something, you know. Olden time, 18th century, there was no celebrity who's coming and talking about the product. There was no social media at that time. Before 18th century, what was it available? It was oral advertisement, where they orally in the marketplace, people will be standing on some place, and then orally they'll communicate to the public about what is available in the market for that particular day. And rock painting, you would have seen when you are traveling and all, you have seen on the rocks people will be painted. You know, that was the style of advertising olden days, before 18th century. 18th and the 19th century, then all this oral advertisement went off and rock painting also gone, and now they had handbills, newspaper and packing. Yeah, newspaper we all have now, it is there. Most of the information we get through the newspaper. Handbills, the notice that you get along with the newspaper, you know, all these are the 18th and the 19th century. And then right now we are in the 20th and the 21st century. What is it that we have seen? We have newspaper, television, direct mails, radio, magazine, outdoor signs, and now the hype is all thanks to the internet. Everybody's life is full of internet. Any information you want, any information about the product, any information about the services, you go to media, internet, you select the medium you want, you will get the information about the product. Yeah? So you understood from where to where advertisement has come, from oral advertisement to internet advertisement. Yeah, clear? Any doubt here? Why advertisement? Yeah, cutting.
Hey guys,